Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to hide folder in Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that in a beautiful tip and tricks. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my Windows 11 I just opened the folder. So this is my important folder. I want to hide some information in this folder. So what I have to do here, for example, I just going to create some new folder. So I just create a new folder. This is Office Docs or important documents. It should be in hide so no one can view this one. What I have to do here, so first and foremost, just use a right click on your folder and you will get option called properties. So if you don't get the properties option, just click show more option, you will get the properties. So just go to the properties or alt enter key if you use, means you will get the office document properties will be open here. So how many file size is there, how many files are there, folders are there inside the folder, you can identify. For example, I just opened this web page, so there are plenty of web pages works is there. I just right click on that, I just go to the properties, it will get how many GBs are there, how many disks are there, files are there, everything will be displayed over here. So it's a beautiful option. So now I would like to hide this folder. What I have to do here, just right click, go to the properties, you will get option called attributes. So here you have the hidden, just choose the hidden option. Once you select the hidden and just click apply and click OK, because it will ask you to apply for subfolders. Just click OK and click OK. Automatically your folder will be hidden. So as you see here, so this will be in dark and this will be in dark, but my web page files are in light color. So I want to hide entire file with this folder. What I have to do here, just on top you will find option called view. So once you select the view option, just scroll down, you will get option called show. Once you go to show option, you will get hidden items in the tick button. Just remove the tick button, automatically the folder will be hidden, so no one can watch this one. So it's a plain and easy. So if you want to see where is your hidden folder, just go to the view option, just go to the show option and hidden items, automatically your file will be open here. Just click open and get your entire files. So you want to remove the hidden option, just right click, go to the properties and remove the hidden and click apply and click OK, and apply means the hidden file will be removed into normal file. It's a beautiful tip and trick, so you can hide your important folder from your Windows 11 and you can have access with your confidential files. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.